Hello everyone, it's Hervé. I hope you're doing well. So if you like easy recipes with not a lot of ingredients, well, this one is for you. Today we're going to make an amazing banana bread without flour. That's right, so quite simply, there's no gluten in this recipe. And you'll see, it's super interesting. We only have 6 ingredients. I'll show them to you right now. We need 3 very ripe bananas, 2 eggs, some peanut butter, unsweetened cocoa powder, a little baking powder, and there you go, your choice of walnuts, hazelnuts, almonds, whatever you like. First step, the bananas. So if you're lucky enough to have some very ripe bananas at home, well, all the better. The riper they are, the better. And there you go, you can already make your job easier by mashing the banana a little bit. And that way it's nice and soft to mash with a fork. It's going to be great. There, so I'll do the same with my 3 bananas. There might be some small pieces of banana left, that's not a problem. Next, we can go ahead and crack 2 eggs. Okay. We're going to move on to the dry ingredients. We'll add the peanut butter last. Baking powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, so for a chocolatey version, but you could also not add cocoa powder to have just a classic banana bread version. I like to add a little bit of cinnamon. It's my secret mystery ingredient. There we go, super. And we mix gently. The cocoa is very volatile. So if you mix too hard, it's going to fly all over the kitchen. And you see this cake, it can really be made entirely with a fork. You don't need any complicated equipment. And finally, the peanut butter. I recommend microwaving it for 1 minute before adding it to the batter, just to liquefy it. That way, it'll be nice and liquid, and it will incorporate super well, you'll see. So there's a lot of peanut butter in this recipe, and it's going to provide, in particular, the fat, the texture, and the protein. We end up with a cake batter texture. There, I'm going to add a few walnut halves to the batter as well, and I'll keep some to put on top. It works well with walnuts, hazelnuts, or why not some slivered or sliced almonds, for example. There, we mix it well, and we can pour it into a loaf pan that's been lightly oiled or buttered. So really, you'll see the texture after baking for a cake without flour. There, we smooth the surface a little. Feel free to add a few more pieces of walnuts on top if you want. Alright, let's go. We're going to bake it for 45 minutes at 180 degrees. There you have it. The flourless and no added sugar banana bread is ready. I'm going to let it cool down. We'll cut a slice, of course, to see the texture together. I'll take a small bread knife. Look at how moist it is. It has risen just like a cake with flour, you see? It's super moist and there's not a gram of flour in it. It's incredible. It's great in terms of taste. It's already very moist. It's sweetened only with the banana. Hence the interest in having really ripe bananas that have a higher sugar percentage, otherwise add a little bit of sweetener. It can be honey, maple syrup, whole or brown sugar. In any case, I'm really amazed by the cakey texture and all, even though there's no flour in it. So for people who eat gluten-free, who are gluten intolerant, you're going to love it. This recipe is really made for you. Let me know if you give it a try at home in any case. And well, leave me a little comment as usual. It always makes me happy. Subscribe to Hervé Cuisine if you haven't already. And I'll see you next week for a new video. Ciao.